Chaos Cyclone coming to you with a wind-up deck profile. Alright, I'm just gonna get Red started so I don't have much time. Congrats to Tyler Tadman topping a Nats and going to Tokyo. So I'd actually already made the deck before Nats, but hey, I figured I'd put it out now. Alright, we got 3 red. I don't know, this deck is already really any explanation. 3 shark, 3 rabbit, 2 magician, 1 hunter, 3 torgads, 2 bailers, 1 snowman eater, 1 sandgin, 1 doors. Spells, 2 factory, 2 MSTs, 2 lances, 1 book of moon, Book of storm, dark hole, monster reborn, instant fusion, pot of atlas. Traps, 2 torrential, 2 bottomless, 1 compulse, 2 solemn warnings, and 1 judgment. Alright, it's the main deck. Here's the extra deck. 3 carriers, 1 Leviathan, 1 Giga Brilliant, 1 Acid Golem, 1 Leviaire, 1 Tempo, 1 Zanames, 1 Utopia, 1 Utopia Ray, Maestro, Tyrus, Adreus, and Draconis the Wicked Knight. Yeah, it's just a level 3 fusion, but that's my wind-up deck profile, and I will see you guys another time.